Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our annual beauty pageant. Here are our candidates. Candidate number 1, Yor Johnson A. Balo. Candidate number 2, Max Azrael C. Balansag. Candidate number 3, Matt Andre Bihal. Before anything else, here's our criteria for judging. Casual wear 20%, talent 30%, and 50% for question and answer, for a total of 100%.
Thank you so much, Helena, for giving us the criteria for judging.
Who's your bet? Do you think your favorite will win the crown?
Now, sit back, relax, and enjoy the contest proper.
Hello everyone, my name is Yuri.
Nagbarong unta kami. Dam. Masa di sige chen dam. Masa di chen. Ya ako bago na kasi. Masa short. Masa na lagi. Buka na. Ganun na gamit niya.
Ayaw, ma'am, kisap ko na. Nagawa lagi, sorry ako.
Mahaba-haba ng posisyon. Sa simbahan pa rin ako. Muna nalangkat na yung sandal. Kumusta nito? Pagwapa rin ko. Ready na ba sa mga question? If taga-agad dyan si mga kaon sa usang adlaw, asa man yung piliton? Breakfast, lunch, or dinner? Kausa na dyan sa usang adlaw, asa man, and why? Dinner, anong dinner na? Gusto ka mataan? Very good, let's give it up for your last close your. Last one pa. Mads?
Sama to eh.
How are you? How are you? Kung ikaw papilion, kung ikaw si Mama Santa na maghatag ka gift, asa sa world, part sa world mo ang unang hatagan, and why?
Philippines.
Why Philippines?
It is my country and I deserve to help.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we have Matea!
That's it for this pageant. I hope everyone enjoyed the show. We are the Group 4. Thank you for watching.
To end this video, let me leave you with this quote. The most beautiful thing you can wear is confidence.